Hello students, welcome again. Today we are going to solve introduction part, that is part 2 of chapter 1 rational number. Students, we were remained with two properties that I am going to discuss today, and then from next lecture we will start our exercise. So without wasting time, let us start. Seventh number property is negative, or you can say negative, or you can say additive inverse of a number. Both you can say, either you can say negative of a number or you can say additive inverse of a number. So for that, let me first take the descriptive part, that is for rational numbers. For rational number, let's say a by b, minus a by b is called additive inverse of a by b. Why? Because a divided by b, when you add minus a by b, that is additive inverse of a by b, when you add to a by b, you get the answer as 0. Also, for any rational number minus a by b, first we have taken a by b, now we have taken minus a by b. If you are taking minus a by b, then its additive inverse will be plus a by b, because when you add both of them, you get the answer as 0. Let me try to explain you with example. For example, if a is equal to 5 divided by 9, then minus 5 by 9 is called additive inverse of 5 by 9. Why? Because when you add both of them, 5 divided by 9 plus minus 5 by 9, you will get the answer as 0. Hope you have understood the additive inverse of a number. Now let us move to the 8th number property. The property name is distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction for rational numbers. Here there are two properties in this property, that is multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction for rational number. So let me take each of them one by one. First we will take distributivity of multiplication over addition. Students, any three number, if they have given you, any three rational numbers they have given you, a, b and c, then if you multiply a to the bracket b plus c is always equal to when you multiply a into b and then add the multiplication of a into c. If not understood, let me show you with example. Here let a is equal to 3 divided by 4, b is equal to 2 divided by 3 and c is equal to minus 5 divided by 6. Then I have separated LHS and RHS. Let me see if both LHS and RHS are equal. So first I have taken a into bracket b plus c. When I have solved this bracket, I got the answer as minus 1 by 6. Multiplying these two bracket, then I got answer as 3 divided by 24, which I can write 3 divided by 8 into 3. 3 will cancel out and I will get the answer as minus 1 by 8. You know very well how to solve this bracket, as I have already discussed it with you in 7th standard. Now let us see to the RHS part. In RHS part, first we have to multiply a into b, then add a into c. So minus into plus is minus, 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. Then addition and these two bracket multiplication, minus into minus is plus, 3 5s are 15, 6 4s are 24. Then taking LCM of 12 and 24, LCM is 24, here it is 12. To make it 24, I must multiply it by 2, so above also by 2. So I got minus 6 into 2 is minus 12 plus 15 divided by 24. Minus 12 and 15 will give me 3 divided by 24. 24 I can write 8 into 3. 3 ones are and 3 ones are. So the answer is 1 by 8. So I can see 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 both the answer. So can I say A into bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now let us see distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. So for that purpose, same way, over there it was B plus C and here also plus. Here it is minus because over subtraction. That means A into bracket B minus C is same as when you multiply A into B, then subtract A into C. So let us try and see. Here A is equal to minus 3 by 4, B is equal to 2 by 3 and C is equal to minus 5 by 6. Then taking LHS and RHS and see whether LHS is equal to RHS. First I will solve the bracket B minus C. On solving B minus C, I get 9 by 6. That is B minus C is 9 by 6, which I multiply it with A. So I got 9 3s are 27, that is minus 27 by 24. Minus 27 by 24 I can write as minus 9 into 3 and 24 I can write as 8 into 3. So I can get resulting answer 3 is cancel out. So I will get 9 by 8. Now same way AB and minus AC, what it will give, let us see. First I will multiply A and C and then subtract B into C. So A into C is minus into plus minus, 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. This minus sign in between and then minus into minus will plus, 3 5s are 15 and 4 6 are 24. Now taking LCM of 12 and 24, you know it very well, it is 24. So to make it 24, I multiply it by 2. So above also by 2. So it will become minus 6 into 2 is minus 24, minus 15. Minus 12 and 15 is minus 27, which I can write minus 9 into 3 and 8 into 3. So I will get minus 9 by 8. Both the way I have got LHS is equal to RHS. So I can say that A into bracket B minus C is same as A multiplied by B and then subtracted A multiplied by C. That is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Students, these two introductory lecture which I have discussed with you, I have already shown you the calculation. I have not solved it because it was the introductory part. The intention behind this is you can understand only the properties. While solving the exercise, we will solve together. But you must understand these 8 properties very well. And for this purpose, you must go through it 2 to 3 times so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with the exercise 1.1 in future videos. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.